Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the week from September 7th till September 13th, and we will see what are the tarot messages for you in this week. So we will see the taroscope of you, all right? Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see now for my Aries, please, from September 7th till September 13th for my Aries. Okay, last shuffle. All right, so let's see. So what is the situation right now? Nine of Pentacles for you. Okay, so you are working on yourself. You are happy, I can see that. You are more focused on your growth. All right, it's all about you, whom you are thinking right now. It's no one else. You are making money, you are doing a wonderful work, whatever. It's because you are independent, you are strong, you are really you. All right, Aries, very beautiful energy. You are aiming really high. I'm seeing over here. See, you are really aiming high over here. Let's see. The issue is Five of Cups. Okay, so whatever the present situation is, it is actually looking very happy that you are more focused on whatever work you have, but there are something, something is there. Might be related to your past person, might be a situation, something, I'm seeing Knight over here. It's like that you are more about what you are. Basically, I'm seeing that during day you are all busy in yourself with the Nine of Pentacles, but during the night, you just start thinking about someone, or might be a situation, something like that. Past issues, regrets, sadness is here. Okay, so with the Page of Cups over here, in your energies where you are thinking, what are the blessings you are actually attracting towards you. So this is the Page of Cups. It is like dreaming. Okay, so this is a dreamer for me over here. It's like you're dreaming about love or dreaming about someone. Something is here. Your past, the Hierophant. So might be a marriage over here, like you are dealing with a marriage, a bad marriage might be. Does not has to be a marriage only, but something related to ethics. Okay, something really just not a small thing. It is more about your energies, where your beliefs and belief system, I'm seeing. Let's see. Nine of Wands in your energies. What is the base situation? It is Nine of Wands. I'm seeing you as if something happened where you just stopped something, like you just stopped talking to someone, where you just told anyone that it's enough from my side, and you were tired. A lot of exhaustion I'm seeing over here. It's more about that I'm done, and you stick to that thing, whatever that thing is. You were sticking to that thing, that I'm done, seriously. The future is the coming future. I'm seeing the Magician. So it is more about doing work, because the Nine of Pentacles also appeared. So I'm really seeing that your all focus is on yourself. So in your coming future as well, it is really this, because at the final outcome, it is the Page of Wands. It is like aspiring high, something related to yourself. You are dreaming, plus you are working with your dreams. You are working with yourself, working in yourself. Okay, so this is something which you just want to do with yourself. Okay, so Knight of Swords, how are you at present? You are really running, and you're running fast towards a goal, and this might be your some of a situation because you had it all. It's no time left, so run. Okay, because it is telling me. Okay, so I'm looking at these cards because they are new to me, and I just bought these new cards, and they really speak something else sometimes. So the messages are really beautiful in this. How people see you as the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so Four of Pentacles over here, I'm getting that you are more about, people see you as someone who is very greedy. More than greedy, it's like that it's all about money at the end. So someone is actually looking at you like that all you want is money. You don't think about someone. You can't have feelings, something like that. Your hopes and fears are Three of Swords. So yes, so you are heartbroken, and that is why you are fearing. So that is why you are just ready to be single, because in your present energies as well, I'm seeing that it is more about single energy. So you are, because of the bad past or something, you are just wanting that it's better to be single than to indulge yourself in a toxic relationship. All right, so let's clarify now. Let's clarify why the Nine of Pentacles is here. Why Nine of Pentacles is here, please? Eight of Pentacles. See how you are just working on your growth. You are really, it's all about working. It's all about being busy, being the busy bee, and you are just doing that thing. All your focus is on that thing, basically on you. All right, let's see why the Five of Cups is an issue over here then. Why is it crossing the Nine of Pentacles, please? Five of Cups. Why Five of Cups is here? The World. All right, so see how is it this is working is like you were involved in something which was really stable, which you thought that it was stable, because with the Hierophant and the past energies, it talks about just discipline. More than discipline, it talks about something long term. Okay, let's say if a marriage is here, we always think about marriage as a long term thing. We don't think about the bad things in a marriage. We always think about the good things. So this was really, it was fine, the things were really good, but something ended, and that is why a lot of sadness also occurred. A lot of guilt might be in your side, might be in other person's side as well, but the process is complete, and that is the issue over here, that you really miss someone. Let's see why the Page of Cups is here. In your blessings, what are you focusing on? Temperance. So you are dreaming, you are trying to balance your energies over here, you are trying to balance yourself over here. So that is what the blessings are. See, God has a hand over you. So this is a really beautiful energy. Might be dealing with the Sagittarius over here. It is more about that, when God is here, God is there, that no matter whatever happens to you, I'm there for you. So this is a really good blessing for you, I'm seeing. Okay, so let's see why the Hierophant is here in your past energies. Three of Cups with the Eight of Wands. So I'm seeing there was a third party involved in your relationship, and it was so fast that you didn't even get time to, whatever misunderstandings were there between the situation, you were not even able to finally just solve those misunderstandings between you and the other person, whomsoever it may concern. Okay, so there was a situation where a lot of misunderstandings were involved, and a person was involved. A third party situation might be not, just not has to be a third lover or something like that. No, it might be a family member or somebody whom you actually, whom you trust a lot. Something really happened like that. Let's see why the Nine of Wands is here in the base of the reading. Nine of Wands, please. Why Nine of Wands is here? Okay, I have a card over here. The Tower. Yes, something really ended all of a sudden. It was a sudden ending, and somebody was very, a person over here was like that it's a no from me. I'm not going to talk to you anymore. I'm not going to listen to you anymore. It's over. Okay, because something happened and there were trust issues as well. Trust was broken and the other one was not able to handle it. Basically not hear it. Whatever you are going to say, no. It's a no. Let's see why the future energies are the Magician. Why the Magician is here? Why Magician is here, please? King of Swords. Alright, what else do we have? So many cards. And Knight of Swords. So a very swords energy are here with the King of Swords and the Knight of Swords. It's like that, when you are like that, this person might be somebody from your past only, because one is looking towards the past and one is looking towards the present. So it's more about that, no from each other. No one is looking at each other. The situation is very opposite, because one is knight and one is king. So energies are different, the thought process is different. So that is why you have finally decided to work on yourself. Let's see why the Knight of Swords is here in your energies. The Hanged Man. Alright, so you are working fast, you are going fast towards your goal, but you have hanged on something which you might not be able to accept again. Okay, might be a person over here you are not able to accept, might be a situation you are not able to accept. So that is why you are hanging on in that situation, but you are running towards your work, I'm seeing. So all your focus is in your work right now. You are more ambitious now. You are thinking about the good things, about your future, okay, your career. So you are really focusing on your career right now, I'm seeing. Why the hopes and fear are Three of Swords, please? Three of Swords and the hopes and fears. Five of Cups with the Hermit. So it's been a long time you have been sad and you were regretting, or might be another person, but it's like with the Three of Swords and the Five of Cups, a lot of sadness is here, and that is the fear for you, that you are not able to overcome that fear, you are not able to overcome that sadness, that heartbreak. So that is why you're ready to move on in your life, but you're not ready to move on personally with someone else, because you are working, because your hopes are to work in a situation on yourself. Okay, so soul searching is going on. You just want to work, you want to meditate, calm your mind, whatever is the things are. These are all materialistic. You have understood that people, they change, things they change, money nothing. Okay, all what is left with you is you. That is what you are understanding right now. Let's see why the Page of Wands is here. Why the Page of Wands in the outcome? Okay, Ace of Swords. So there's something new, might be a new relationship, but this is a clarity. Okay, so I just talked about that there were misunderstandings, no one was ready to hear or listen or talk, but I'm seeing now that somebody is ready to talk now, and if there are misunderstandings, people will clear out. Okay, you will clear out, and that is what, because you have worked on yourself enough. In the future, it might be after some time, it might not take just 1 week to figure this thing out, it might take some months as well, but at least the things will be clear. All right, so that's all, Aries. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.